Lesson 2, Irrational Numbers. So first of all, we have a bunch of definitions of different kinds of numbers. So the first one is terminate, and that means to end. A whole number is not a fraction, and it does not have a decimal. An integer is positive and negative numbers. A natural number is only positive whole numbers, so positive numbers that don't have decimals. And rational numbers are numbers that can be written in the form m over n, where n doesn't equal 0. So this is what we're going to work on right now. So a rational number will have a terminating or a repeating decimal. And an irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. So you have that in your chart. So now we're going to classify numbers either as rational or irrational. So for the first one, you take negative 2 over 3. So because it's a fraction, we're going to put it into our calculator. And you should get negative 0.66 repeating. So because it repeats, it is a rational number. For the next one, you take the square root of 14 and you get 3.7416. And you keep going on and on in your calculator. And it doesn't stop, so it's non-terminating. And it doesn't repeat, so it's non-repeating. So because it's both things, it's irrational. For the third one, you take the cube root of 8, type that into your calculator, you should get 2. So because it terminates, it's rational. I'm just going to write T for terminate and R for repeat because I don't got a lot of room. Right. 1.21. So because it terminates, it's rational. And the last one is pi. And pi is 3.14159, blah, 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 blah. Goes on and on forever. So it's a non-terminating, non-repeating number, so it is irrational. Ordering rational and irrational numbers. So to do this, we need to find it as a decimal, whether it repeats or not. So the square root of 18 is 4.24264. The square root of 9 is 3. The cube root of 13, type this into your calculator, you should get 2.35133. The cube root of negative 5, once again type it into your calculator, you should get negative 1.70998. And the fourth root of 5, 1.4953. So now you're going to put these in order from least to greatest. So our least greatest, so if you were to imagine them on a number line, would be this first one here. So the cube root of negative 5. Our next big number would be here. So the fourth root of 5. Then you'd have the cube root of 13. Then you'd have the square root of 9. And then you'd have the root of 18. So this is the order from least to greatest of these irrational and rational numbers.